A major theme at the Paris Air Show this year has been sustainability. And I'm joined now by Ryan Leese, who is the president for Europe, Middle East, Africa and India for Honeywell's commercial aircraft division. Ryan, welcome to the program. How do you think the industry is actually faring as it goes towards sustainability?
So first, Alan, thanks for having me. It's a great show, great time to showcase our sustainable aviation products. I would say the industry in general is really coming together. You've got aircraft manufacturers, you've got system manufacturers, you've got airlines, you've got business operators, you've got governments, investors. Everybody shares a common goal to drive a more sustainable aviation future. And we're really seeing that come together at shows like Paris. And, just a great example, we recently announced a partnership with Emirates where they flew a Boeing 777 powered 100% by sustainable aviation fuel. And we worked with them, with GE and others to really create a sustainable aviation solution.
Can you give me some examples of Honeywell's improvements and things that you are doing towards the sustainable targets?
Yeah, absolutely. So I would say from the minute you enter an airport, you're starting to see the benefit of Honeywell sustainable solutions. We control the lighting and the air conditioning at airports. Obviously, the way we utilize airplanes is changing. We just today announced a new high efficiency mode for the 737 APU, the 131-9B. It's 1% to 2% fuel savings, but that's 22 metric tons of CO2 per year through that new improvement. And that's something that can be done virtually on wing for most of the existing 737. So a huge benefit. We're obviously getting more into electric power through the EV Tall space, and we expect to see tremendous savings through electrification of aircraft as well.
Okay, let's talk about the EV tolls. And the urban air mobility is big news now. So your involvement in that sector?
Yeah, so we're in EV Tall in a big way. In the last 3 years, we've announced over $7 billion of wins, from cockpits to flight controls to electric motors and power generation systems. So we're spending almost 60% of Honeywell RD&E on our sustainable solutions, a lot of that going into the EV Tall space. And one huge benefit of EV Tall is that technology is going to migrate into the rest of aerospace. So we're going to see it in business jets, we're going to see it on airliners, we're going to see it in defense platforms going forward.
So if I was to ask you give me one of the technologies that you've got that really excites you. What's the one? What's the gold star one?
Yeah, so maybe my background, but the one that I am most excited about is our new cockpit Anthem, which is in the certification process. We just flew a retrofitted PC-12, 100% equipped with this new cockpit. It's all touch displays, very intuitive, connected all the time, really gives the pilot control of the airplane from anywhere in the world, meaning he can plan a flight route from a hotel room, load it to the airplane. Really neat technology that's coming soon.
It sounds brilliant. Congratulations on everything you're doing.
Yeah, thank you, Alan.